Azul. Now before we start this friendly battle, I shall divide you guys into two groups. The boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul. Okay, very good. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Want my energy ang uban? Are you guys ready? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Walter table leading by blue in his first ball, followed by Azul. Walter for zero for the last ball. Blue wins the game. That's alright, Azul, and I think Azul deserves a second race. Now let's do it with a re-race. So the mechanic in this game, if the first bird kumanda 3 weeks into the pole, the fastest is the winner. Now that is a re-race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! The Walter table leading by blue in his first swing. Let's go, Azul. Blue for a second. Oh hey, what is this? Azul picks up 3 rings at the same time. So trainer Kata, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what was that? You guys cheated.
Did you cheat that you cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So if you cheat that the girls are wiser than the boys. Okay, let's give her applause for blue and Azul. Now this time guys, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. So 20, 50 or 100 peso bill will do. Sorry kids, I need an adult. Yes ma'am. Raise your hand. Naka-yellow.
Go Prince. Go Prince. 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 Go Bob. Basketball ang Prince. Prince.
So as you can see,
Ito,
most of
ito.
our words are parrots. That is because parrots are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically inclined to reaches. Stand right there and face towards me and extend your left arm like this. So I'll be inserting the money right between her finger. Now ma'am, no matter what happens, please do not try to move or swing your arm, okay? Now let's meet our money bird, Blue. Let's go Blue. Blue flies over and gets the money. So what's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table and guess what? Blue wants to? There you go, donate your money. So now, I have a question for you. Are you okay that Blue donated the money? Since you're okay, ma'am, how about let's do a second round? 500 pesos this time. You know, we are just joking. It is all part of the show. We will return your money, but first Blue wants to have a photo opportunity with you. So follow Trainer Cat's instruction.